I have this cookbook, the All-American Truck Stop Cookbook, so I thought I'd cook a recipe from it. The recipe I'm cooking from comes from a truck stop called the Bosselman Travel Plaza in Salina, Kansas. And what I'm making is a Midwest maple cornbread. That sounds interesting. Let's try it. Grab 2 bowls. In this bowl, we'll put dry ingredients. We need a cup of cornmeal and a cup of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Stir that together a bit. In the other bowl, I need 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 beaten egg, and a ½ cup of maple syrup. Let's whisk that together. And this gets stirred into the dry ingredients. It says to pour it into a 9-inch square prepared baking dish. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes, and this will get baked at 400 degrees for around 20 minutes. Midwest maple cornbread. It's cornbread. It has an underlying sweetness to it. It's not like wow, wow, wow. So I'm gonna give it a 5.5 out of 10. Where do sheep go on vacation? The Bahamas.